Hello everybody, I'm John Roark, Editor-in-Chief of Phoenix Home & Garden Magazine, and I'm here to take you inside our April-May issue. This is our big outdoor issue, and you'll find page after page of inspiration for creating your perfect outdoor oasis. We've got expert tips on what to plant now and how to get your garden ready for summer, and we have some advice for luring monarch butterflies into your landscape, including everything you need to know about milkweed plants, which are essential to the survival of this species of butterfly. Also, don't miss our interesting read on the sacred datura. It's a beautiful, blooming desert plant that you've probably seen and admired, but you may not be aware of its dark secrets and its deadly history. In our architecture section, read about the valley's mid-century modern branch banks. These beautiful buildings are the result of the growth boom in Phoenix after World War II. Those that have survived demolition are examples of Arizona architecture at its best, and they've taught us a lot about how to build in the desert. We have 7 featured homes to inspire you, everything from contemporary to historical, with landscapes ranging from high desert to lush and colorful. All of this and so much more in the April-May issue of Phoenix Home & Garden, which is on sale on newsstands right now.